Hello, so today I will be doing another unboxing video. This time though, it will be about my FTUs or field training uniform. So that's the combat, the greens. So for the first time in a while, like I'm talking 50 plus years, Air Cadets will be getting issued FTUs, which is awesome because it means I don't have to go pay for my own. So with that said, I'm pretty sure my boots are in here and my uniform in here. I was told though by my supply officer that my beret is not with this group here. It's still being shipped, so I will not be showing that in this video. I will also not be showing you guys how to get dressed in the uniform. I'll do that in another video. It's kind of its whole separate thing. I will also be showing you guys how to, I'll unbox the beret and I'll show you guys how to form it. So those will be two separate videos. And if you want, you can subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that'll let you know when those videos come out. It also helps support me, especially if you guys like what I do here. So with that out of the way, let's get started with unboxing the boots here. By the way, I'm pretty sure, yeah, these are the boots. It's a lot heavier than the other box. Okay, so yeah. So I already cut the tape on this one because it was being really annoying to open. But here's the boots. So different than what I'm used to. Usually combat boots are a little bit more, got a little bit more of a hiking outside look to them. These are a little bit more dressy, but we'll see how they hold up. I'm also very curious to how they feel. It doesn't look like there's insoles in these. I wonder if it comes. Well, let me get the rest of the box out here before insoles. Wow, I spoke too soon. So that's nice. They do come with insoles. So we'll see how those work. Because comfort is really important when you're wearing something like a boot for a long period of time. There's the other one there, and they come with laces. Awesome. So let's get this out of the way here. Cool. So our two boots, insoles, nice little Ziploc bag here. We can put these in. And they come with that extra pair of laces as well. Awesome. Okay, we can put these in here, and then we'll get to the uniform. So I can't really give you exactly, my experience on these quite yet because I haven't worn them, to be honest. I literally just took them out of the box. There's the laces in there. Yeah, so the insoles seem to fit. That's nice. It's nice. It would be awkward if they gave you the wrong size insoles, wouldn't it? Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to do both of those, but the insoles fit in. They look pretty nice. I mean, they're not they're insoles. Okay, on to the next thing. Yeah, and there's a little card here. Maybe it'll say something. Okay, interesting. Okay, they have a care and maintenance instruction card for these boots. I'll just read it off to you guys. So these boots are designed to provide a comfortable, durable boot for general purpose wear in temperate and climate conditions. The leather is water resistant and breathable. The outsole will provide cushioning combined with abrasion resistance. The cushioned insert is removable and can be replaced with a light orthotic device. Proper maintenance will extend the life of your boot and maximize performance. Boots are ready to wear when issued. Boot maintenance. The leather in your boots has been specially tanned to permanently impart waterproofing into fiber structure of the leather in a way that maintains breathability. The leather should not be treated further with commercial waterproofing agents that may affect the breathability of the leather. So yeah, guys, no spraying, that stuff you re-waterproof your coats with. They're already good. That's what that means. Okay. When boots become dirty, scuffed, clean the boots with a damp cloth. Do not use soap or detergent. Allow leather to dry. You can apply a coat of low gloss boot paste. So I did a video on this, guys. It's basically called blacking your boots. So once these get dirty, you do something called blacking and it makes them look like kind of new again. I do have a video on that. I'll post it in one of these corners up there in a card, and you can click on that and go watch that video if you're curious how to black your boots. Okay, third and last one here for overnight drying, loosen laces. Okay, so it's basically like, don't dry your boots near direct heat because you might melt it or something. Okay, so that's nice. At least they kind of tell you what to do. That's a first for a uniform, and they have it in French on the back in case you speak French, which is great. So I'm gonna put this all back here, move it out of the way, and we can get going with the uniform. Okay, so uniform. This is what I'm kind of more excited for here. Okay, so let's open these up. Hopefully I didn't cut anything inside, right? Always close your eyes, guys. Okay, uniform, here we go. Yay. So, let's see what we have. Let's just take out the packages. So we have our elemental. Mine is blue because I'm in Air Cadets. We have our trousers. Yay. And we have our tunic. Let's get this box out of the way. Beautiful. So, what should we open first? Well, I mean, the elementals, they're the most boring. So let's get this over with. It's a t-shirt, guys. You know what? I'm gonna just open it. Don't need the knife. Okay, so elemental t-shirt, beautiful blue t-shirt. Nothing really much else to say. T-shirt, blue, awesome. This is what you wear under your tunic, but I will talk more about that later in my how to get dressed into your FTUs video. Cool. Let's put the elemental over there, and we can open up our trousers. So let's be really careful not to cut this. It would be a shame right after getting brand new FTUs to slice a hole in them, right? That's what you're supposed to do on a FTX, not in an unboxing video. Okay, so these are the trousers. Beautiful. They have the nice Cadets logo on the pocket there. I don't know if you can see that. That's nice. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So yeah, Cadet trousers. They look pretty nice. One curious thing, they have a sand trap. Oh, they do have a sand trap. So there's this part of your pants. I'll talk more about this in my how to get dressed, but this is very important. It's nice that they have these. There's a specific way you wear it. But that's all I'm going to say in this video. It's awesome that they have those. I would have been really disappointed if they did not include that in the cadet issued pants. That would have been not good. Okay, so pants done. Let's check out the tunic here. So, right away, I noticed something about this one. So, they decided to go with the single epaulette holder in the front, or maybe they have one in the front, one in the back. We'll see. So, once again, I'll talk about this in my getting dressed video, but this is where you would put your epaulette. So it's interesting. On your dress shirt, for at least for Air Cadets and Army Cadets, you have your epaulettes up here, and then in the FTUs you'll have them down here. So that's an interesting call. Yeah, and you only have one on the front. Cool. There's the FTU tunic there, front and back. Cool. So I'll grab everything up here. to just quickly talk about this. So really happy in all here. I can't really say much for the boots right now because I haven't worn these. But what I can say is that the pants and the tunic, I have gotten a surplus version of them, which means somebody already used it and they held up really well. So what I can definitely say about these is that you can expect them to last for quite a while. You could just machine wash them, I guess. So it's a lot easier to like clean these per se, your dress uniform. So that's really nice. And then your elementals, by the time you've gotten like a few years into cadets, you'll probably have like 13 of these around your room, so they're not really an issue. Once again, you'll also be wearing your wool socks with these boots. Doesn't look like I got any, but if you have been a cadet for more than like a year or so, you should have quite a few of those kicking around. If not, just talk to your supply officer. So that was the unboxing video. I will see you guys later in I think it'll be, well, we'll see. Depending on when my beret comes, I'll do a beret video and how to wear these. And yeah, that'll be it. Boots, tunic, trousers, and shirt is what I got today. Hopefully we'll get our beret soon. With that said, any questions you guys have, post them in the comment section below and I will answer it. I'm pretty sure I've answered every single comment on my YouTube channel, so definitely if you have any questions, I might take a day or two, but I will get to it. Be assured of that. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.